Good morning, students. Today we will see the new lesson, that is equation in one variable. Already last time you have studied what is meant by equation. Just we will take the revision of that one. Equation means what? We know, suppose 2 plus 5, we know it is equal to 7. So this is equal to this. So this is known as equality. Okay. What we say, this is equality because this symbol indicates both sides are equal. But instead of this one, suppose we will write this x plus 5 equal to 7. So this is unknown value. Means we have used here one letter to show this one. So this equality is termed as now equation. So here we say this is equation with one variable. Because here we have used here one variable. If two variable, then we say that is equation with two variable. So this is equation, this is equality. Last year already you have studied, but just for the you should know, because the name of the lesson is equation in one variable. Okay. So for your knowledge you can write in your notebook. So next point, that is solution of the equation. Here what is meant by solution? The value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called solution of the equation. For example, just here we take this one, x plus 5 equal to 7. So what is the definition? The values of the variable which satisfies. Satisfies means what? After putting the value here, then both sides come equal. For example, here if we write this one, 2 plus 5, we know it is 7. So what is the value of x? This 2. Means this x is equal to 2. This value is satisfied this equation. That's why this is known as what? Solution of equation. Solution of equation. So very simple. So on this point, they will ask these two types of examples. First one, decide the given values are the solution of the equations or not. They will give the some values. For example, here we have taken 3 examples. I will solve these 3 and 3 you have to solve. Okay. So now see here, this is first one. 3 values are given, 2 minus 1, 4. So we have to find which one is the solution. So here see, solution of first one. You have to take the value. Equation is x plus 3 is equal to 7. So what is the first value? For first value, if x is equal to 2. So put that 2 plus 3. Can we say it is 7? No. So it is not equal to. So this is not a solution. So next value we will take now. For second one, x is equal to minus 1. So put here minus 1, x is minus 1 plus 3. Can we say it is equal to 7? No. This is also not equal to 7. So for third one, x is equal to 4. So equation is, suppose write this equation every time, no problem. So there is no confusion. Put the x value is 4 plus 3. Can we say? Yes, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is not solution, this is not solution. What is the solution? Therefore, x is equal to 4 is the solution of given equation. So this is the answer. Any doubt about this? Okay. So now we'll see another one. You have to write this definition what I explained in your notebook. So next one, second example, we'll see. What is that? 5m is equal to 35. So one by one we will do. First one, what is m is equal to 4. M is equal to 4. So 5m is equal to 35. Now this 5m means m is multiplied to this 5. So 5 multiply 4. Can we say this is 35? No, not equal. 5 4s are 20. So next value we take m is equal to suppose 7. So 5m is equal to 35. 5 multiply here is what? 7. So can we say? Yes, this is equal 35 equal to 35. Okay. So then here Here also you can say 5 4 the 20 is not equal to 1. Like this, suppose here equal to and 20 is not equal to, okay, 35. These both are correct. 5 4 the value 20. So then last value m is equal to minus 7. So 5 multiplied by minus 7 equal to 35. Can we say? No, because 7 minus 6 is what? Minus 35 is not equal to plus 35. So what is the solution come? Therefore, m is equal to 7 is the solution of this given equation. Last one we will see. Third one. Example third. Okay, what is that? 6a plus 4 equal to 16. So for first one, what is that? A is equal to 2. So put the value. 6a means 6 multiplied by 2. Putting this value plus 4 equal to 16. Can we say 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Yes, we can say 16 is equal to 16. So first one satisfied. We'll check second one. If a is equal to 1, then what? 6 multiplied by 1 plus 4 equal to 16. Can we say 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not equal to 16. So this is also not equal to 16. Last value. A is equal to minus 2. So 6a plus 4 is equal to 16. The 6 multiplied by what? Minus 2 plus 4 equal to 16. 6 minus 2 is minus 12 plus 4 is not equal to 16, because we know minus 12, this is minus 8, greater number sign is not equal to the 16. Means where, what is the equation? Solution is, therefore a is equal to 2 is the solution. Means what you studied from these examples, here three values given, but we found only one. So we can say that also, that equation in one variable, that equation having only one solution, not other than one. For example, if we put x, what is the solution? X is equal to 4. Other than 4, if you put any value, that is not satisfy this equation. So only one solution for this equation. So you have to write this all example in your notebook, and now I will give you 3 questions. Below this you have to solve that. Okay. The question number 1 is finished. So you have to solve 3-4 questions from the book. Those who not having the book, for that student I will write on the board. So for the same you have to solve this is assignment on this first question. Okay, assignment. So example, first one, x minus 4 equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1, 7 minus 7. Example second, 9m is equal to 81, where m is equal to 3, 9 minus 3. Third one, 2a plus 4 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, minus 2 and 1. These 3 questions you have to solve. Okay. So you know how to solve, by which value this equation is satisfied, that is the solution, then remaining are not solution. But you have to solve for the all values, and you have to check. You have to solve this, that answer should be 3. This multiplication should be 81. This multiplication with 4 addition, that should be 0. For which value this comes 0, that is the solution. So this is the assignment for you. So next question we will see example number 2 from this. Solve the following equation. Now solve the following equation means what? Here you have to find the value of a variable. Solve means you have to find the value of variable, that is very important. So we'll see some example. First one, 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. I will take 3-4 examples on this. So remaining you have to solve. Okay. So now we'll see the solution of this equation. Both the questions from practice set 12.1. So now here we have to find solution, means by which value this equation is satisfied. This is very simple. Last year also you have studied. So now here variable is given p, 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. Means we have to find value of p. So keep this p term one side, remaining all term other side. So 17p as it is, this minus 2 goes that side, it becomes plus 2. So addition is what? 51. 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 1 5, 17p. We want the value of p, but this 17 is multiplied, then when it goes that side, it becomes divided. So can we divide? See, 17 table, 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. So value of p is what? 3. This is the solution of this equation. Means if we put value of p is 3 here, and if we subtract this one, you will get 49. We will check our answer is correct or not. Here suppose 17, what value of p we found? 3. 17 3 minus 2 is equal to 49. 17 3s are 51 minus 2 is equal to 49. Check it. 51 minus 2 is what come? 49 is equal to 49. Like this you can check your answer is correct or not by putting the value. Okay. This is for rough. Okay. This is we have to find our answer is correct or not. Okay. So like this you have to solve this equation. One more example we will take on this. Somehow different. Next one. 5x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 2. Okay. So now we'll see the example. So then how to solve this one? Very simple. Before the bracket 5 is given, means you have to multiply this one by 5. 5 multiply it. 5x minus sign. 5 3s are 15. When you have to multiply both the term. Whatever the term in the bracket, you have to multiply that all term by that number is equal to 3 into x, 3x, and 3 2s are 6. Now in this first one, that variable come only one side. Here variable come both sides. Then what you have to do? You have to take variable term one side and all number term one side. So for that, which side variable term or coefficient is greater? Here coefficient is 3, here 5. This 5 is greater now. Keep this 5 as it is. Take the smaller term with the smaller coefficient, left hand side it here plus, it become minus. Okay. This 6 as it is. Then number minus 15, take that side, it become plus 15. 5x minus 3x, 2x is equal to, this is 21. Okay. 6 plus 15 is 21. Okay. So x is equal to 21 upon 2. Keep this one as it is. If complete division, then divide. If you converted it into decimal, no problem, but this is also correct. So x is equal to 21 upon 2. So we check our answer is correct or not in this equation. What equation come? 2x, 5x after multiplying, no? 5x is equal to, suppose 5 multiplied by 21 upon 2 minus 15, and here 3 multiplied by 21 upon 2 plus 6. Okay. So if you solve this one, you will get both sides are equal. Both sides. Or you can take here also. This one come 21 upon 2. 2 cancel. 21 equal to 21. So this is the answer. If you like this bracket, check it first again. 5x, 5 3s are 15, 3x, 3 2s are 6. 5x as it is, take 3x left side, minus 15 goes that side, plus 15 plus 6 21, 5 minus 3 2, 2 is multiplied, it is divided. So solution is x is equal to 21 upon 2. So one more example we'll see. Different example I will take. Then remaining easily you can solve this. The next one. X minus 9, x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. This one. So now we will see this example. Very simple example. Here what, if such a type of example comes, you have to take cross multiplication. 7 multiply this bracket equal to this 5 multiplied by this bracket. Okay, it's like this. Second one we will solve. We have solved that like this example. 7x, 7 multiplied by this, 7 lines are 63. Multiply this one by 5, 5x, 5 5s are 25. Again, check the coefficient of x term. 5, 7. This is a bigger one. So 7x as it is. Take 5x this side minus. So this side what remain? Minus 25. With the sign you have to keep this one. Take minus 63, that side plus 63. 7 minus 5, 2x. So 63 minus 25. 30 minus 5. 8. 6 minus 3. 3. Okay. So 38. Now this 2 is multiplied. When it goes that side, divide. So divide it. Division possible then. 2 1 are 2 1 are 2 1 remain 18. 2 9 are 18. So answer is x is equal to 19. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. So many examples are there. You have to solve that. If division is there, then you have to multiply. Then suppose one more example is there. It is also somehow different. So we'll take it plus y minus 4 upon 3 equal to 2. Okay. See this. Maybe student having confusion there. What you have to do here? Now here you have to take LCM. You know, if denominators are different and addition and subtraction is there, take a LCM. 7 3s are 21. Then cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by y plus sign. 7 multiplied by y minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. Then 3y multiplication plus 7 into y, 7y. 7 into minus 4 minus 28. This 21 is divided. When it goes that side, multiply. Okay. 3y plus 7y, 10y. This minus 28. This is 42. 21 2s are 42. Minus 28 goes that side. Plus. Okay. So addition is what? 8 plus 2, 10. 4 plus 3, 7. This 10 is multiplied. It goes that side, divide. 0 0 cut. Therefore y is equal to 7. So such a type of equations you have to solve. So I will give some assignment for you. You have to solve that. First you write all this example in your notebook. That is very important. Now just 2-3 examples on this assignment. Okay. So on first question already I have given that assignment. The second one you have to solve. 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Second, 9x upon 8 plus 1 equal to 10. Here you take plus 1 that side minus. Then the value is divided. Take that side, multiply, and then 9 is multiplied, take division. One by one, you have to do that operations. I will see how many students are able to solve that. Then here, y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y equal to 4. This example is like this. Here 3 Here no denominator means what? 1. Here you have to take LCM, then cross multiplication and solve remaining part of this like this one. So I think you have to solve these 3 examples. Okay. So solve it and send me the photocopy of this all examples. Just again I will repeat it. 10 to 15 students they are trying to solve. Nowadays so many students they are too much lazy. They are not sending the solutions. Kagne, Patankar, okay. Then that Madhwai, Kumawat showed. Kumawat sent that one. Bhosle also not sending. So many students. Okay. So send it, solve it and send it. Okay. Thank you.